Hey everybody, today I'm gonna make a spicy Korean style chicken wings for the Super Bowl. So I have some nice Bell & Evans chicken wings here. I have some spicy gochujang chili paste, which I love. This stuff is amazing. It's like this rich, thick, fermented chili paste. It's absolutely delicious. I like it even better than sriracha. Over here I have some minced garlic, some minced ginger, and then some real fine cut ginger here. I have some fish sauce and some ponzu. So these are all going to be thrown together to make a sauce. And I have some hot honey, Mike's hot honey. So just going to throw all this together in a bowl. It's definitely not a recipe, I'm just making this up as we go along. So I'm going to take 2 big tablespoons of this gochujang chili paste. And you can see it's kind of almost, not clear, but you can kind of almost see through it. So it's kind of opaque colored. And now I'm going to put a tablespoon of ponzu in there, probably 2 at the end of the day. I'm going to do 2. Ponzu sauce. Get all the chili off of here. And I'm also going to add a little fish sauce just to give it some more depth and character. Okay. Then I'm going to throw in half of the ginger and about half of the garlic into this. And I'm going to mix all this up. Add a little more ponzu to that. And now I'm going to add my spicy honey. And then we're going to toss our wings in it, and then we're going to let that sit for about an hour. And then we're going to bake it off and see how they come out. Taste it. Really, really delicious. So I put probably 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. There you have it, super simple. Again, I used the gochujang chili paste. I used hot spicy honey. I used some ponzu citrus to give it some tang. I add some fish sauce to give it a little more richness. I added about 1 tablespoon of minced ginger and about 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic. Now I'm just going to take my chicken wings and I'm going to dump it right in there. And then we're just going to toss these really well and then let that sit for about an hour, and then we're going to bake these off in a 350 oven. So actually probably not 350, probably go 300 because there's a lot of chili sauce in the honey and I don't want it to caramelize too much and burn. So I'm going to bake it at a little lower temperature, and then at the end I'll turn it up higher. That's it. There we are. Sweet, spicy, Korean style chicken wings. Alrighty, we'll come back in about an hour and we'll check out the chicken wings when they're all done. Okay, cheers.